So today we're doing a smash or pass test on this yellow headlight. We bought both of these at the same time. 6 months later, driver's side pass. So I've seen a bunch of videos on TikTok and YouTube. Everybody's using these steamers. I just got this filled up and ready to go. It's ready to spray steam. So we're gonna do a couple passes on this headlight and see what happens. Ready? Come on in. Okay, well, I'll run out of water, so I gotta go back. As you can see, the headlights dried up with the time that it took to open this thing up. It's got to be cold enough to fill. This time I put distilled water in it because it didn't really do anything. If you want to come on in and take a look, it really didn't do anything. So I'm gonna try it again with distilled water and see what happens. We're just going to focus on a small area and see if it's even worth continuing to try. Alright, do yourself a favor and get a better one of these. It doesn't hold very much water. So,
why do people keep putting that
distilled water.
Why do you keep putting that there?
It looks a little bit better now. Until it cools down, maybe it'll start looking crappy again. Go ahead and get in there. Right in here. So this is definitely a pass. Not in a good way though, for people my age. This doesn't work. Unless you got a better one or a chemical you're putting in it. There's no way you're saving this. Maybe I'll try a headlight that's not so bad and see what that does. So for now, we're not gonna smash. See you next time.